Money may be tight right now. Perhaps book sales aren't quite where you want them to be, and you're wanting to find some quick and easy ways of earning money from home. Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to share some ways to work from your couch while making money from home. So stick around. Hey, Right Riders, Keith Wheeler here, and if you want to continue to get all the hints, tips, and tricks on how to make self-publishing easier, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash your little bell icon so you get alerted each and every time I put out a new video. I was talking with a buddy of mine a couple months ago, and he told me that if he ever lost his job, he would never work at a certain place of business. And I kind of gave him that look that my boxer gives when he hears the garbage man, you know, that look, because my thought was my family is more important to me than my pride. There is nothing that I won't do to help support my family. But I digress. Don't worry, today I'm not going to talk about donating blood or plasma, although depending on where you are in the world, those may be very viable options. What I am going to talk about today is 2 ways of taking the skills you already have and using them to start making additional income. Whether money is tight or maybe you're just looking for a way to fight the boredom, these sites will allow you to start making money from home while doing work from your couch. Now the first up is going to be Fiverr. Fiverr.com, that's Fiverr, 2 R's because they're really, really good. What you're probably thinking is, Keith, I don't want to make $5. There are gigs on there well beyond $5. I mean, you can pay hundreds of dollars for some of these gigs, which means you can make hundreds of dollars from some of these gigs. And that's what you need to keep in mind. $5 is kind of their shtick. That's how they got known. But again, you can do things far beyond $5 worth of work. So the first thing I want you to do is go to Fiverr.com, that's Fiverr.com, and see what they have to offer. And as you're looking, and be careful because you can jump down a rabbit hole with that site, but see what they have to offer and which of those types of gigs would you be good at. They have everything from data entry into Excel to a guy who pours chocolate all over his body and sings happy birthday, you know, and everything in between. I'm not joking, there really is a guy that does that. So again, check out Fiverr.com. Yes, I am an affiliate, but I'm not going to include affiliate links in this video. Just go to the website, check it out yourself. The second you probably already guessed is Upwork.com, and that's Upwork.com. Upwork, I'm actually, not only am I a client, I've been a client on Fiverr as well, but not only am I a client on Upwork, I'm actually a freelancer there as well. I've done jobs that take me less than an hour to do, and I've made over $300 doing them. So again, very viable options for making money from home. And the way to make money on these sites is very simple. Take what you already have to offer, and yes, you have something to offer. You might as well get paid for it, right? I mean, if you're sitting on your couch watching TV by yourself, then why not do a side gig at the same time and make money? If there's a specific part of self-publishing books that you really enjoy or that you're really, really good at, offer that as a service. That said, it doesn't have to be about self-publishing books at all. Maybe you want to do some data entry into Excel or transcribe YouTube videos for content providers like me. You can do all that and a ton more on Fiverr and Upwork. And the best part is that you don't have to choose just one platform. Create freelance accounts on both sites. Just like Amazon has traffic that brings people to your books, Fiverr and Upwork have traffic, again, to bring people to your freelance account. So why not use them to make some extra money? So my question to you is, what types of projects are you thinking about doing on Fiverr or Upwork? Let me know down in the comments. Who knows, I may end up being one of your future clients. Now, full disclosure, when you first start out on these sites, because you'll be a new freelancer, you'll need to be proactive on the projects that you want to bid on. You may have to spend quite a bit of time going in and applying for these different gigs or applying for these different projects depending on what site you're on. You may even need to bid a little lower than normal just to get those first couple projects. But trust me, it pays off in the long run. When I first started out on Upwork, I was bidding as low as maybe $10 an hour on projects. But after doing just 2 or 3 projects that way, and getting such positive 5-star ratings from my clients, I was able to up my rate. Now, like I said, I make $300, sometimes more an hour to do a project. And the best part is, most of the time, my clients come to me. I don't have to spend time searching the site. Although, if I want to get a project quicker, I can go search a site, put in a bid, and I'll usually get accepted fairly quickly. Now, also to be clear, these sites do take a portion of that money that comes in, so you want to keep that in mind when you're bidding, so that way you can adjust your fee accordingly. But the good thing is that by using these sites, the money is in escrow, so you know that you won't get stiffed once you do the work. You may have some clients that ask you to go off the platform, and if you've worked with them for a while, then maybe that's something you want to do. But majority of the time, I just stay on the platform. Both platforms have an instant messaging system within them, so you can communicate back and forth. And again, by keeping everything on their site, you have documentation of what's agreed upon and what's not. And the best part is that you can accept or turn down projects based on your own preference. And if you decide after a few projects that you want to stop freelancing, your account will always be there for times when you want to start picking up side projects again. Now take me for example. I haven't picked up a job since January 2019 because I'm so busy with everything else that I'm doing. But I still get requests weekly. And I know that if I wanted or needed to pick up a side project, I could just do a search, pick a project, and because I have previous projects and a proven track record, I could snag a new job fairly quickly. Now, if you're interested in making money from home, but more in a self-publishing books type of way, then check out this video right here where I show you how to use software to create puzzle books, including puzzle books for kids. Or you can check out this video that YouTube has lined up and they think you'll love. I'll catch you in the next video, and remember to write right.